Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to read medicine books step by step. Start by previewing the table of contents and key headings before deep reading. Use active reading with questions, summarize each section in your own words, and diagram complex pathways. Prioritize clinical relevance by marking high-yield concepts and linking them to patient cases. Schedule short, focus sessions with spaced repetition and practice recall with flashcards or teaching peers. Stay curious as comprehension builds over time. Break chapters into focus segments and set clear goals for each session. Annotate margins with concise notes, highlight sparingly, and create summary tables for mechanisms. Convert diagrams into stepwise flow charts and redraw pathways from memory. Teach difficult topics aloud to reinforce understanding and expose gaps. Use question banks to test application of concepts and integrate clinical cases to contextualize learning. Review summaries weekly to solidify long-term retention and habits. Choose primary textbooks for core concepts and supplement with concise review books and guidelines for quick reference. Prioritize original figures and clinical pearls, and cross-check conflicting sources for clarity. Build a layered resource system with notes, flashcards, and indexed bookmarks for efficient retrieval. Practice retrieval by self-quizzing and spaced intervals, and connect facts to clinical scenarios to improve recall. Reflect on progress weekly, and adjust strategies based on weak areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.